So hello everybody, I'm Charles Zada from Group 10, and today I'm gonna show our movie app and from the assignment 3 with mobile one. So we are Shamsi Alakbarova, Troll Azanda, and Azar Shule. So as a Group 10, we create the movie app, and uh, I'm gonna show the details of that app. So uh, in that app, we have three area, which is home, movies, and contact me. In the home also, we have the movie info, which will uh, give the all details of the movie by uh, taking from the JSON server with the helping of ID. So in that home part, we have some info about us. We have some links, which is GitHub projects, links, and YouTube link, which gonna I'm gonna add after the finish this video. So we have GitHub page link, which is working, and if you directly go to the GitHub page, our projects page. So for example, personal card of my website that's working. So for example, weather app working and movie site, which will also go to the GitHub page. So GitHub profiles, our GitHub profiles is also working. And yeah, the homepage is all about that. And we have home CSS and home JSX file, which we created and wrote that parts in that files. And that's all. As you can see, we created a table and inserted data. We have some text here, and we have form action which go to the that link, and that link is the GitHub page. Yeah, that's all. And home CSS, which we did some stuff to work with CSS and give a shape of pattern and etc. So yeah, in the movie part, we have the movies which we inserted the movies from the JSON server. So the JSON server is actually on that port, 3100 port. And as you can see, we have ID, poster links, recital, and etc. And with the helping of ID, actually, we inserted data from the JSON server to the web page, and I can show you from the movies JSONX, which is that movies.id, and it's all about actually going to the movies info page, which I will show later, and that fetching link is all about the fetching the data from the JSON server. And as we have the JSON server in that port, we fetch the data from the 3100. And with the helping of the IDs, we insert the data about the movies. For example, if we click the second movie, we are gonna actually it will gonna find the ID of that movie and show it the whole information about it. So it means that movie has the ID which is equals to 2, and The Godfather which is, you can see from here, Godfather ID is 2, and from here, our server, the Godfather, yeah. That's also working smoothly, and we have the back button, which will go to the back to the movies page, the whole movies page, and I can show our back button function here, movies info GSX from the form action. We are gonna take our screen to that link, which is our movies page, and localhost 3000 is the our local React server, React actually port number, and which is in that port. So yeah, that movie is loading when the movie is not showing. It will write in the page that movie is loading. So we have some CSS file. We have some work on that in the container. We have some paddings and etc. So yes, in the contact page, we also did some work with the JSON server, and in that contact page, we have the JSON server, which is on the 3003 port, and I'm gonna show localhost 300 page messages. Yeah, as you can see, it's our server. I inserted some data to check, and it's working. I'll check now again. So we did with the helping of messages.json file, and where's the contact JSX, yeah. Actually, as you can see, it's going to the 300 messages, which is as I mentioned, we have server on that port. So let's check, for example, TA, ADA, group presentation, group assignment, movie, submit. As you can see, we have email, subject, content, and it's working. Yeah, it's going to the display. So also we have some CSS stuff such as that container, such as when we are gonna click the submit button, hovering the submit button, it will change its color to the yellow as which means you can go, which means this red, you must stop. Yeah, that's all. Contact CSS file, we have some CSS stuff here, and actually we divided our staff, such as the home page JSX. Mostly Shamsia worked, and I helped for the CSS stuff, JSX stuff. In the movies part, I wrote the movie info, and Shamsia helped for updating the CSS, JSX stuff. In the movies also, she worked, and I helped. And in the contact me page, I worked and Azar worked, and we helped each other to develop and update the JSX and CSS. So that's all. Thank you for watching. See you.